What if I told you that the key to becoming a multimillionaire CEO is hidden in these 13 books? Sounds unbelievable, right? But trust me, each one of these books played a major role in shaping my mindset, decisions, and ultimately, my success. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how these life-changing books completely transformed my life, and they can do the same for you. Stay tuned. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and I'm all about helping you build your wealth, your mindset, and your dreams. Today, I'm going to be sharing something super exciting with you, 13 books that helped me become a multimillionaire CEO. Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, these aren't just any random books. They are the foundational knowledge that helped me level up my life and my business. I'll be breaking down what each book taught me and how you can apply those lessons in your own journey to success. Let's get started. 1. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Let's kick it off with a classic, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is a must for anyone looking to build wealth. It teaches you the power of desire, belief, and the importance of a clear goal. What I learned from this book is that success doesn't happen by accident. It starts with a burning desire and the relentless belief that you can achieve your dreams. I used to have doubts about myself, but this book taught me how to overcome them by keeping a clear focus on my goals. Book 2, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. This book helped me understand that true success comes from developing habits that align with your highest values. One thing that changed my life was the idea of prioritizing tasks that are important, not just urgent. This concept allowed me to stop wasting time on distractions and focus on what truly mattered in growing my business. Book 3, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. But let me tell you, it's one of those books that flips your perspective on money upside down. What it taught me is the difference between working for money and having money work for you. Kiyosaki's message is simple. Wealth is about building assets, not just earning a paycheck. I took this lesson to heart and started investing in my future, which was a game changer for me. Book 4, The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. By Eric Ries is a must-read. This book showed me the importance of testing your ideas quickly and efficiently. The fail fast, fail cheap mentality helped me avoid wasting time and money on products and services that weren't going to work. By applying this lean methodology, I was able to refine my business strategies and scale much faster. Book 5, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. By Benjamin Graham completely changed the way I approach the stock market. Book 6, Atomic Habits by James Clear. By James Clear. This book is all about building small habits that add up to massive results over time. I used to think that success came from big leaps and giant changes, but this book taught me that tiny, consistent actions make all the difference. By focusing on improving just 1% each day, I started to see incredible progress in both my personal and professional life. Book 7, The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. By Tim Ferriss. This book completely reshaped my approach to work. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Ferriss introduced me to the idea of automating business processes and outsourcing tasks that aren't the best use of my time. This allowed me to focus on what truly matters and achieve financial freedom faster. Book 8, The E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber. The E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber. This book taught me the importance of working on your business, not just in your business. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of getting stuck in the day-to-day operations. But to scale and become a true CEO, you have to think strategically and systematize everything. This book helped me take my business to the next level. Book 9, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie is one of the most powerful books when it comes to networking and building relationships. I learned how to connect with people, build trust, and communicate effectively. These skills have been essential in growing my business and creating partnerships that drive success. Book 10, Principles by Ray Dalio. Principles by Ray Dalio. Dalio's approach to life and business is based on radical transparency and decision-making principles. This book helped me understand the importance of learning from failure, refining my strategies, and always striving to improve. It's a must-read for anyone serious about building a long-lasting business. Book 11, The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle is a book that taught me the importance of living in the present moment. As a CEO, it's easy to get caught up in the future or the past, but Tolle's teachings helped me stay grounded and focused. This mindfulness has been crucial in making better decisions and reducing stress in my life. Book 12, The Subtle Art of Not Giving an FCK by Mark Manson. The Subtle Art of Not Giving an FCK by Mark Manson really hit home for me. It taught me to stop caring about things that don't matter and focus on what truly aligns with my values and goals. It's about learning to prioritize the right things in life, which helped me eliminate distractions and focus on success. Book 13, You Are a Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero. You Are a Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero. This book is all about breaking through your mental barriers around money and success.